How to withdraw from your crypto.com application over to your bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can withdraw funds from your crypto.com app over to your bank account, which means you want to transfer it to a bank. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, before we try to transfer our funds to bank, you first need to have linked a bank account. So in order to link a bank account, once you open the crypto.com app, tap on the transfer button. Once you tap on the transfer button, you will see these two pop-ups. Here you have to select the option that says withdraw, and you have to select the option that says fiat, not crypto, because we're trying to transfer funds. So we will just select fiat currency. Once you select fiat, here you have to select the currency, which will go ahead and just select USD or anything else. Once you do that, and you can see the option that says add bank account. So just go ahead and tap on the button that says add a bank account. Once you tap on add a bank account, if you're doing this for the first time, you will see a confirmation that says it uses Plaid to go ahead and link your accounts, which is basically a third-party service. And once you do so, go ahead and just simply enter your bank over here. If you don't find it, you can also simply search for it. Now, depending upon the bank, you'll be able to set different type of credentials. So log into your bank using your online banking credentials as well. Once you log into your bank account, so once you have to do is you have to also verify your identity. So it'll send a two-factor authentication code and tap on the answer button. As you've done that, you can see we have successfully now added and linked our bank account to our crypto.com app. Now the next step is depending upon how we can transfer it to our bank account. So you have to simply enter the amount of USD you want to send over here, and what you have to do is you can also see withdraw to. You can see a monthly limit and so on. If you want to add some more bank account, you can tap on add, and when you do that, and once you do so, you can also tap on the max button as well. That's all it takes to link your bank account to crypto.com, as well as how you can withdraw your funds and transfer them over to your bank account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to your channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.